You in your chair? Are you in the glider? Yeah. Rachel, quit. Anthony, what you doing? You watching VeggieTales? You watching VeggieTales, Anthony? You're so engrossed, aren't you? Hey, I thought you were rocking. Rock! Rock! Bop, 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 bop. You gonna talk? Or you just gonna keep your nose in that TV? Leave him alone, Rachel. Anthony, you gonna talk? Say heck no, I'm watching TV. Yeah. No, you gotta stay sitting. Oh, here comes your music.
Wait.